everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are in a new setup in my new bedroom and I'm so excited to shoot this video. I hope that তোমরা সবাই ভিডিওটা প্রচন্ড এনজয় করবে. I was waiting for some time to like post this video because নতুন শিফটিং হয়েছে, নতুন শিফটিং এর কাজ চলছিল and I was super busy in all of that. And আজ আমি chance পেয়েছি and I thought why not share this video with you guys. And here's a new member too. You will see her more often in my videos because I'm going to shoot with her. Hi my YouTube fam, how are you guys doing? I am Luna. Please subscribe to my mama's channel. I want to see all my new subscribers here, so Luna will be present with all of us more often. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel to see more of Luna. And yeah, I hope you all are going to enjoy watching this video as much as I will come here and shoot for you guys. So let me start with my huge bedroom window. This, like, the view outside is so aesthetically pleasing. This one has a beautiful view as well as like beautiful sunlight and all nature. And this is my bedroom here. I have organized it a bit for the video, but apart from that, here's my diary where I was scripting down stuff. Luna. And Luna. Here is Luna. She's having a nice sleep time, snooze time as usual. So I'm just showing you guys more of her. Now this is the living room, the living space or the drawing room, and we have our treadmill here, a purifier which hasn't been plugged in yet, and yes, this is basically where we keep our keys. And just beside we have a workout spot which is again not organized yet. We've just put on the dumbbells and the gym table. I don't know what exactly it is called. And we have another showcase here where I have arranged all the Rubik's cube and the showpieces of my husband. And here we've just decided a small spot for Luna to come here and eat her food. We've kept it pretty accessible for her litter box. We've kept her litter box also somewhere nearby, and also the scratching pad which she uses. Lunch is ready to be served and cooked in the kitchen is really small. I feel kitchen space is really small. This is the small window which we have in the kitchen, and I somehow just don't like the kitchen window because the view is not really nice and pleasing, so I usually keep it closed. And another reason is for Luna, because she might just jump out of the window. We are pretty scared. We haven't put on the nets yet. This is another like common this is the common bathroom. We have the common washroom, and yeah, the nets are still not arranged because we just shifted 2 days back. It's not possible for us to do everything so soon. And here I come take you all to my bedroom again, and here is where I have arranged all my skincare and my bath products. My bathing products are all kept here, and I just have like literally 1/3 over here and another 1/3 is in my bag. It's like that because it's all so messy here that I did not get proper space yet to organize stuff, and no time yet. And see, Luna is taking her nice sweet time and not even saying you all hello. Let me show you all this window. This window also has very nice sunlight and all. It's not my favorite view because again you have just another flat right in front of you, so what you see is just dried clothes hanging up there. So again, keeping that close and showing you all Luna and adorable eyes. we are yet to do some cat sitting, so we are not allowing her to go outside. So let me show you all the washroom. The another washroom we have alongside the bedrooms. This is really small. The common washroom is much bigger. This one is like a teeny tiny washroom. So this is where my in-laws are staying along with the birdies, which I'm going to show in this video. Now this is a really small balcony attached to my in-laws room, and we have like all our birdies kept here. This isn't yet arranged, and say hello to the birdies. So this is the third room or the last room which my husband has taken up for his working space. You can see how messy it is. It isn't organized yet. He has all his guitars here, and basically he works here, and we've just arranged it, like he's just arranged the setup for his office. That's it. It is looking really messy until now, and yeah, that's it. And here is Luna and Luna's litter box, and that was it. Here is Luna baby and me shooting for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you all so much, and if you all have enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I'm going to share more such videos in the future. We are going to see a lot of new content too. So yeah, bye from Luna too. I think she's going to actually go and tell you all bye. So bye. Thank you all so much. Luna tata. Luna tata kore de. Tata kore de. Tata tata.